Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a farmer ID card. To begin, you'll need to gather several key documents. First, secure proof of your land ownership or cultivation rights, which is fundamental. Next, prepare your identity verification, such as a government-issued ID. Don't forget to obtain 2 or 3 recent passport-sized photographs. Finally, ensure you have proof of your current address, like a recent utility bill. Having these ready will streamline your application process significantly. Once your documents are ready, the next step is to navigate the application process. Head to your local agricultural department or the designated government office responsible for farmer welfare. There, you will obtain the official application form. Fill it out completely and accurately, ensuring all details match your supporting documents. Carefully attach all the necessary paperwork. Finally, be prepared to pay any small processing fees that may be required to submit your application. After submitting your application, the verification and approval phase begins. Authorities will meticulously review all your submitted documents for accuracy and completeness. In many cases, a field verification visit will be conducted to confirm your farming activities and the details of your land. Officials will also cross-reference your information with various government records. Once all checks are successfully completed and approved, your farmer ID card will be issued, typically within a period of a few weeks. Possessing a farmer ID card unlocks numerous benefits for you. It provides access to various government agricultural schemes, subsidies, and crucial support programs. This card also facilitates easier access to agricultural loans and credit facilities from financial institutions. Furthermore, you can receive direct financial assistance and insurance benefits for protecting your crops. Remember to keep your card updated and promptly report any changes in your farming status to ensure continued access to these valuable advantages.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.